So, for today's video is another highly requested na product na i-review ko. And I'm talking about yung Focallure Lip Clay. Sa lahat ng Focallure lip products, ito na siguro may pinaka-decent na packaging or yung box, yung lalagyan. It looks very sleek. And dito mo makikita yung expiration date. Nandito din yung ingredients and suggested usage. So, ayan yung packaging. It's kind of nice. But I'm not gonna focus on the packaging because I'm gonna throw it anyway. Pero dito tayo mag-focus. Ayan. Ang packaging ng mismong product. And it looks very sleek actually. Oo, hindi siya affordable looking. It's very sturdy. I like the packaging. Kaya lang problema, kailangan mo i-memorize yung mga shades. Because hindi mo makikita kung anong shade siya. Wala siyang kahit anong transparent part. But yung text nung product, medyo doon mo makikita, doon ka magkaka-idea anong shade siya. Kasi, ayan o. By the way, I only have 3 shade. I got 3 shade because I want to test it out. So, hindi mo nakabumili ng ano mo yun, bonggang-bongga. Pero, i-lip-swatch ko po itong tatlong to. And then, I'll show you guys the wear test that I did yesterday. So, tayo ay mag-lip-swatch muna. Umpisahan natin sa 001. I got a really nude shade because I want to see what it looks like. Oh, by the way, ito yung applicator. It's a very good applicator. So, i-apply ko muna siya like that. And then, I'm gonna smudge it using my fingers. Kasi may nag-comment na, ismudge ka man daw. So, this is 001 na na-smudged. And, first impression, no, not really first impression. Nagamit ko na ito yesterday. But, it's very, like, smooth. Nag-glide lang talaga siya. Not so creamy, but more on like the velvety side. I don't really like smudging halimbawa yung mga light shades and then I'm just gonna smudge it on my lips because it doesn't really look good. Kasi makikita mo pa rin yung, alam mo yun, yung original color ng lips mo. Let us apply it like in full pack color. So this is 001 in full pack color and you guys, dahil light shade siya, parang kailangan mo ng 3 to 4. I swear to God, 3 to 4 layers before you can actually cover your entire lips. Yung light shade has a very, very thin consistency. I'm saying this kasi nagamit ko na yung isang shade yesterday and this is a deep shade and it's just like one swipe covered na talaga yung ano. Well, it's usual for light shades eh. Lalo na kapag ka velvety lang yung formula and not really like a full-blown liquid lipstick. Kailangan talaga ng mga ilang patong para makover yung lips. But yeah, this is 001. So, 001 is not really my favorite kasi para siyang kalawang-ish, I feel like. Next shade that I have is 203. So, this is 203. Na naka-smudged. Okay, gawin natin ombre. Totally is nice. It's like your lips but better. By the way, you guys, I don't like the smell. Amoy siyang chemical na halaman na amoy lupa. Alam mo yan? Now, let's try it in full pack color. So this is 203 in full pack color. For 203, I think kailangan mo na 2 layers, yeah, to actually cover your entire lips. 203 is kind of nice, no? I like 203. It's good for every day. Now let's go to the last shade that I have. Next shade that I have is 302. And this is, I think, the deepest shade that I could find. This is 302 na nakasmudge, you guys. Now let's try in full pack color. So this is 302 in full pack color. It's like a very deep berry shade. I really like it. I like 302 and 203. Okay, so bago ko sabihin yung final thoughts ko, I'm gonna show you guys the wear test that I did yesterday, and I used 302. Alam niyo naman, pag nag-wear test ako, I tend to get like the deepest shade para alam mo yun, full potential yung makikita natin. So, yeah, watch the wear test first and then we're gonna go to my final thoughts.
Tyson pangalan. Okay naman. Okay naman. Sa utak mo na parang.
Alright guys, so yun na yung wear test na ginawa ko yesterday. Now for my final thoughts, isa-isahin natin. For the packaging, I like the packaging. It looks sleek and it doesn't look like 109 pesos. Kaya lang yung mga white packaging na ganito, mga dumihin, so you have to be very careful with that. Kasi once na namantsahan na siya, halimbawa ite, ayan, I don't know if you can see, may mancha na siya, it's hard to take it off. Try a baby oil later. Pero alam mo yun, dumihin yung mga ganyan. So you have to be very careful. Now, yung formula niya, yung feels niya, I actually like because it's very velvety. It's very like moussey and cloudy and very soft and lightweight on the lips. Like right now, I'm not feeling anything on my lips. Yeah. Now, yung when it comes to longevity, dito tayo magkakatalo. Yung mga deeper shades, in my experience, yung mga deeper shades, yun yung mag-last long sa lips mo. Lalo na if ginamit mo in full pack color, like a normal liquid lipstick. Pero pag ginamit mo lang ng tiny bit and then you're just gonna spread it out, well, huwag mong asahan na magtatagal yun. Because one layer and then spread out pa is, you know, definitely not gonna last that long. Lalo na pagka kumain ka, pagka uminom ka. Lalo na itong 001, it's light and it's thin. So, alam mo yun, parang, I mean, babagay siya sa mga mapuputi, pero I don't think babagay siya sa mga deep morenas because it's a burnt orange na makalawang, so I really don't like 001. So, yung mga deeper shades, I think yun yung mga maglalast ng matagal talaga. Kahit na kumain ka, mag-iiwan siya ng, alam mo yun, maganda or flawless yung pag-fade niya. Nakita niyo naman sa wear test, hindi ka naman mawawala ng color agad-agad. Katulad ng sa SUGARDOLLS, na alam mo yun, halatang halata talaga yung pag-fade ng inner corners. Dito, medyo flawless naman yung pag-fade niya, yung pagwala niya. Hindi siya kiss-proof, hindi siya waterproof, hindi siya kahit anong proof. So, pag kumain ka, kakalat yan sa lahat ng pwede niyang pagkalatan, lahat ng pwede niyang pagdikitan. And although hindi naman nila kiniklaim transfer proof. Another thing na you might have to take note is may tendency siyang magbuo-buo. You have like dry lips, dry patches, it's gonna cling to those dry patches, to those dry lips. Lalo na yung mga ang usually ganun is yung mga lighter shades. Kasi nga, yung mga lighter shades, hindi niya kayang takpan in one go yung labi mo, yung color ng labi mo. So, it's gonna show, it's still gonna show everything, unlike yung mga deeper shades. Yung smell niya, I don't like the smell. I can still smell it right now. Yeah, I don't like the smell. Overall thoughts for the price of 109. Okay na to dye. Pwede na to dye. Kailangan mo lang talaga maging careful sa shades na pipiliin mo. Kasi baka mamaya meron pa ibang katulad ng 001 na light tapos thin formula. So, for the price point of 109 and sometimes they go on sale. Parang minsan may nakita pa ako 89 pesos lang. So, alam mo yun, okay na siya. It's good na for me. Is it a dupe for, medyo hawig siya ng Sunny's Face lip tip, hawig siya ng Happy Skin, yung lip mallows, although mas liquidy yung, mas malabnaw ng very very slight yung Happy Skin lip mallows. Is it a dupe? Well, I think it's the closest dupe that I've tried. I think. Parang mas pigmented pa nga ito when it comes to the deeper shades. Yeah, yun lang. Overall thoughts, I do recommend that you try them. Just be very careful with the shade na pipiliin mo because not all of them are good. So, that completes this video, guys. If you have other brands or products na gusto mong i-wear test ko, comment it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button like right now, like now. Click the bell button. Again, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!